Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so guys, we will be doing this right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to QDC, and of course I will advise you to practice very well on your demo account. Learn the strategies I'm sharing in my videos and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend right from here, and of course it has got into this support zone. It's unable to break out from there, so it went back on buy trend. And of course those that are having this training tool will have enjoyed the trading activities that happen on boom 1000, because they will have sold right from this resistance zone down to this support zone, and of course they will have gone up again, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It started from this support zone, and it sold till it got to this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, and it has got into this resistance and was unable to break out above it. So it's going to be trying out a downtrend right from there, but we need it to break out below this support zone. If it does not, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we expect more of a selling, but if it does not break out below that support zone, then it will try out the resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it, and right from there it has been selling. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This had been on uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal from here, and it sold till it got to this particular support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it is buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, then it will go back into a downtrend and try out this support zone again. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, but if it breaks out above that resistance zone, it will buy more. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.